Hi there. What's the price of the necklace I'm wearing? Or is it prize? Well, you're welcome to another edition of Mixup Corner with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. If you have not subscribed, please do so that you get the latest updates from moi. Okay, so today the words we're going to be looking at are price, Price, and prize, Prize. Wondering what the differences are? Okay, so when we say price, Price, it's simply the cost of something, okay, or the amount used in purchasing something. So you go to the shop and you ask, oh, what's the price of the necklace I'm wearing, or what's the price of my earrings or my lovely dress? Okay, so you're finding out the costs you have to use to purchase it. But when we say prize, okay, it's something you receive or a reward you receive for winning a competition or a program or a tournament. Okay, so you get your prize. Yay! Maybe when I hit my 1K subscribers, I get a prize from you. So those are the differences. Price is pronounced price, cost or value of something, and then prize, Prize, is the reward for winning something. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and don't get it mixed up. This Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina. Thanks for joining. Ta-ta!